Okay, boys and girls, today you're going to learn to round 2 and 3-digit numbers to the nearest 10 or the nearest 100. I want you to read what round means at the top, please.
When you round a number, you find a number that tells you about how much or about how many.
Okay, when it says about, boys and girls, that means you are not finding the exact number. You are finding the closest number that it might be a 10 or a 100 number that your number is closest to, okay? You're not finding the exact answer, all right? About means not finding the exact number. All right, read about Mia and her baseball bat.
Mia's baseball bat is 32 inches long. What is this? We round it to the nearest 10 inches.
Okay, one way to round, boys and girls, is to use a number line. This is the first way you can round, okay? So, you find 32 on the number line. So 32 will be in between 30 and 40. Do you see the little tiny line in between 30 and 40?
Yeah.
That line is 35. So it should be 32 is lower than 35, but it is higher than 30. So it goes right in the middle, okay? So they have 32 right there for you. Find which tens the number is between. 32 is in between what two tens numbers? What's the first number, Xander?
30.
30. What's the second tens number?
40.
40. Is 32 closer to 30 or 40?
30.
Carter.
30.
32 is closer to 30 than it is to 40. So 32 rounded to the nearest 10 would be, everyone, it's closest to what number?
30.
So when you round it, it would be closest to 30. So 32 rounded to the nearest 10 is 30, because it is closer to 30 than it is to 40. So the length of Mia's bat rounded to the nearest 10 is how many inches?
30.
30. Keep repeating ourselves, don't we? Okay. We just rounded to the nearest 10. The next one is going to be rounded to the nearest 100. Okay? Round 174 to the nearest 100. Okay, on this number line that's right here, you can see it has 0, 100, 200, 300, right? What are the little lines? What do you think those little lines mean? Eli? They're probably
10.
no, they're not tens. 50s. They're 50s. Remember how I said this was 35 right here? So this will be 50 right here. They're like, so this is 50. This would be 150 right here. This is 250. Okay? But we are looking at 174. 174 is between 150 and 200. We're trying to figure out, though, what 100 it is closest to. And so we have 0, 100, 200, and 300. 174 is in between what two hundreds numbers? Bella? 100 and 200. What is it closest to? Is it closest to the 100 or is it closer to the 200? Quiet.
200.
It's closest to the 200 than it is to the 100. So 174 rounded to the nearest hundred is what number then?
200.
200. Okay. Turn to the next page.
This is the back side now.
Okay, now try this. Round 718 to the nearest 10 and nearest 100. Even though this is a hundredths number, you have to round it to the nearest 10. Now, tens can be hundredths numbers also, okay? 110 is a tens number. 120 is a tens number. 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, and then 200, okay? So, let's find, where would you write 718 up here? Where would 718 go?
Oh.
Alexander?
Very close to 720.
Okay. This number right here in the middle is 715. Okay. So it would go in between those two, right? So we'll just put it right here. Put a dot. And write 718. Put a dot. No, not right next to it, right in between. And write 718. 718 is closest to what 10 number? Is it closer to 710 or 720?
720.
Please don't shout out. Please raise your hand. Aubrey?
720.
720. And it's closer to 720 than it is to Eli?
710.
710. So 718 rounds to which number that is closer to? What number is it closest to? 720. Okay, that is a tens number. Now we're going to round it to the nearest 100. We're going to see what 100 is it closer to. So you have 700, 750, and 800. These little tiny marks, do you see that there's more than one little mark? Those are tens. Okay, so this is 700, 710, 720, 730, 740, 750. Okay? And 718 is what in between what? 710 and 720. So we're going to draw it. This is 710 right here. And this is 720. We want it to be in between, probably closer to the 20 this time. Okay? And that's going to be 718.
I can't read that.
Just try your best. Just draw the dot in between and write 718.
Let's write 7. Here, just copy up mine.
Okay,
before that.
now, is 718 closest to 700 or is it closer to 800? Is 718 where you put the dot closest to 700 or 800? Okay, it is closer to 700 than it is to 800. So 718 rounded to the nearest hundred is, everyone?
700.
Okay. That is using a number line. Some of your work will have a number line, so you will have to put those dots there, and then you will have to see what it's closest to. The other way to do this is by using place value, okay? So, we are going to round number 63 to the nearest 10. What you need to think about is the digit in the ones place tells if the number is closest to 10 or 70. Okay. If we had the number 13, the ones place is right here. Okay? This is the ones place. This is the tens place. Alright? If we had a hundreds number, this would be the ones place still. The closest to the right is the ones. This is the tens, and this is the hundreds. Okay? So, you have to look at the digit in the ones place. 3 is in the ones place. Okay? Is 3 closer, or is it 5 or over? Okay? You have to think if it's 5 or over, it will make the number go up. If it is 4 and under, it will keep the number the same. Okay? So the tens digit stays the same because is 3 greater than or less than 5? Or equal to? Greater than, less than, or equal to?
Less.
3 is less than 5. Okay? So, oh, and I said it's greater. Hold on, that's not the way it goes.
It's the opposite.
Yes.
Crocodile eats anything that's bigger.
Right. Crocodile eats everything that's bigger. So 3 is less than 5. So because 3 is less than 5, you're gonna keep the 6 the same, and the 3 is going to go to a 0. You make the 0 in the ones digit. Okay? So this will be 63 rounded to the nearest 10 is 60. Now I want to try another one, okay, right here. I'm going to do the number 42, okay? So we're going to look at the tens numbers, and you're going to, or the ones place, the ones place, and you're going to ask yourself, is this number, which is number 2, greater than or less than 5? What is it, greater than or less than? Everyone?
Less than.
Okay. 2 is less than. So 2 is going to let the 4 stay the same. Okay? So 4 is going to stay the same, and then you make a 0 for the 2. We're going to try one more. We're going to do 66. Okay. 66 rounded to the nearest 10. The 6 is in the ones place. Is 6 greater than or less than 5? Everyone?
Greater.
It's greater than 5. Because it's greater than 5, it's going to make the 6 go up to a 7. And then the 6 becomes a 0 on the ones part. Okay? Alright. If it was 65, 5 is equal to 5, but it still makes the 6 go up. Okay? So it will go to 70.